much of a video, and today we're playing Rivals for the first time with my friend Ryuk. You've seen that bunch of times. Oh,
facing a new game at level 1.
oh, both level 1.
No, I'm level 11.
Yes,
Phase
that's
4.
but
I'm 11.
that's level 11, and I'm level 1.
I'm not fighting you
I've
now.
never played. Yeah, he's not hitting me. There he is.
Are you doing good?
Be better. I got him! I won.
Nice.
Round 1, yes. Another round.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, damn.
God, I lost. How many rounds is there?
There's first 5.
Oh, I got to wait to actually play. Oh, I lost there. I'm really bad at this. I never played. Guys, I won! I won like 5-3. He was good, but yeah, I paused the voice, so yeah. Leave. On a normal server.
I am.
Oh.
Goodness. Doesn't imagine yet.
Hi.
To my thingy.
We're in party. Why? Can get like new weapons or
Oh, we can't really want each other. Can be on a team though.
I want to be on a team because I'm not good. It's my first time playing Rebels. Ever. Okay.
No, I said break.
Arena.
Oh. I'm hiding.
Choose.
I'm higher level than all of them.
I'm really bad. I got eliminated by a survival kid.
Springbok.
Okay, good.
just kidding.
Or am I just
So grenade.
if we're going to
I'll take one of these kids. Look, these are cheating. They're actually cheating. These kids are actually cheating.
really?
They're cheating.
Huh?
Invincible. Taking less damage than they have inbox.
Today?
They're hitting every single hit.
All of us are very good at aiming.
Yeah. They just can't beat it. So literally just hit every single hit.
Nope. Done.
How long do you want to do?
Okay. What, I just got one shot. Yeah, they are hackers. I literally just got one shot. How?
Take you alive. I wonder if they want you, but no.
This is weird. We looked up.
How do you want you? How to want you? How do I want you? Play.
There's AG for the stuff. Wait a
Come
second.
on.
Mini good.
How do you want you? How do I want you?
Oh. Practice.
Oh, Edgar.
Good boy.
Come here. Egg over here. Hit.
Me and up. There. Is this the 1v1?
Yeah.
Of yours.
We are there. You are fighting. No.
Look on my screen.
Oh, sorry.
I see you. I see you. I see you so good. I do a little bit. Did I get to the 2 goals?
91 health.
Oh, I basically did nothing. How much health do you something?
150.
Can you get more health for now?
No. Yeah.
No. I'm really low. How much damage did I do?
I'm not 15 health.
Oh. Good. Didn't it?
You're quite.
You're probably win 5 minutes. There's something when I do.
Yeah, that one.
So you're good too. Don't look at my screen.
Wait, what? I eliminated myself now.
No, I think I'll just.
I jumped off that. I thought I'd be still good in the air, but I think now we won.
I had nothing, did I?
I got to a house.
You can get new weapons in this, right?
You need to unlock them. Why?
I want new weapons. Do you have new weapons?
I have fists and stuff.
I have this. Do we have the exact same now? It's not good. I see it.
Yeah, I'm going to finish them off.
You're not gonna win. I've only won one.
That's when I eliminated myself by accident. I'm level 11.
Did I do good?
Yeah, kind of.
I left.
Can we play again? Try and get there.
What to do?
Where are you? Here.
Can I fight against you?
Yeah, let's have a meeting together, okay?
Send it to Jinx! Jinx! Jinx had luck! Jinx golden luck.
Oh, how did I do that?
Don't go too hard on me. I'm really better, remember? GG.
I like this map.
Yeah, it's my favourite, probably.
Oh,
Yeah.
Fish is the best weapon.
Go first then.
Fish only.
First battle.
Easy.
Let's do a full fish battle next time.
Easy. Fish only. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Click step up. Loading not taking me. Oh. This way. You doing this way?
That's in his
Oh,
hand,
what
bro.
open one?
Like, no, you want for you on. Let's see how
Oh.
far you got me. You're going.
Oh!
How much time we should do the
I'm 30. Oh. Good then.
Okay. Okay, what's up? I have the high ground. I guess I really do.
You really do. That's all I mean.
Catch hand, bro. No jumping. And no jumping.
Wait, this is the arena. You go on side, I'll go on the other. Okay, ready?
Go. No way. It's not going to. Okay. No, but at that point, that's it. No jumping. Hey, it's interesting.
You hit me. Let me hit you. Hit me.
Come on.
Did you hit me once before you start?
Why did you just heal?
You can't. What help do you want? 60. Let me hit you.
I'm on 90.
I'm on 60. Let me hit you once.
Okay. Oh no, wouldn't. We're doing an actual good battle. Oh my god. I don't like it. Let's do it in queen
Where are you?
over here.
Where are you? Wait. Go here. I want you.
Catch his hand.
Go here. Go here.
Catch his hands. We are level 8.
I'm level 13. Dude.
Special.
Ooh.
It's battle only. They have a better chance now. Hey, it's this battle only. You're cheating.
Cheating.
You were cheating first!
I won with fists.
You did so much damage.
I won with fists though.
You did so much damage though. You did so much damage. Fine.
Reload
Fist
fist.
actually only. Why did you cheat?
Wait, let's
Catch his hands. Catch his hands. Catch his hands. That hurts.
That hurts.
For a little bit. Really nice. My steam heart.
Sniped.
Wow.
Good. Fist.
Yeah, I know.
I also gonna try and get it.
Stop you. First you have
38.
good luck. Just give yourself. Catch his hands. How do I forgot? Bro, you're so much.
Just stand the blue things.
I just feel good for good luck. Catch his hands.
How do I? Oh my god.
You're good.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Yours.